Hey everyone, welcome back to Amazing Planet. Today, we're slithering into the world of one of the most chill and fascinating snakes out there, the ball python. But first, here's a quick animal quiz for you. Which reptile can run on water? Think about it while we unravel the secrets of this amazing snake. The ball python is hands down one of the most popular pet snakes in the world, and for good reason. These guys are gentle, easygoing, and not too big, making them a favorite for both beginners and reptile lovers alike. Native to the grasslands and forests of West Africa, ball pythons spend most of their time hiding in burrows or coiling up in trees. Unlike some of their more aggressive snake cousins, these pythons are all about defense rather than attack. And here's where they get their name: when they feel threatened, they don't strike, they curl up into a tight ball, tucking their head inside like a built-in shield. Pretty smart, right? Now, let's talk about their super cool hunting skills. Ball pythons are ambush predators, meaning they wait perfectly still until their prey comes close, then bam! They strike with lightning speed, grabbing their meal and wrapping around it in a powerful constriction. No venom needed, just pure muscle. And speaking of food, these guys love rodents, mice, rats, and even small birds. But don't worry, pet ball pythons are usually fed pre-killed prey, making them easy to care for. They also have a wild way of sensing heat. With special pits near their mouth, they can literally see the body heat of their prey, even in total darkness. Ball pythons come in hundreds of different colors and patterns, thanks to selective breeding. Some are golden yellow, some look like ghosts, and others even have bright blue eyes. It's like nature's own snake fashion show. Sadly, in the wild, their numbers are declining due to habitat loss in the pet trade, so conservation efforts are super important. But whether in the wild or in captivity, one thing's for sure, ball pythons are some of the most fascinating snakes on the planet. And now, the answer to today's quiz: which reptile can run on water? It's the basilisk lizard. Also known as the Jesus lizard, this little speedster can sprint across the water's surface using its long toes and crazy fast reflexes. Thanks for watching Amazing Planet. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome wildlife facts. See you next time.